Welcome back to Love Vegan, and this week we'll be making a peanut satay tempeh. So the ingredients for this week is tempeh, carrot, chilies, we have some Sugarsnap peas, some sweet peppers, some Massaman curry paste, a little palm sugar, some peanut butter, and 3/4 cup of coconut milk. First up, add a little oil to a pan on a medium heat. And then just fry the tempeh for a little while until it's cooked. So you can see after a couple of minutes here it's just golden brown. So we're going to take this out of the pan and then transfer it to a bowl to use later. Add your coconut milk to the pan on a medium heat. And then just add your Massaman curry paste and then stir this into the coconut milk until it's fully dissolved. Add a heaped tablespoon of peanut butter. And then just continue cooking the sauce for a few more minutes. Once the peanut butter and the Massaman curry paste are starting to dissolve into the coconut milk, we've just added a little palm sugar. And once your sauce starts to thicken, we just add the carrot first, and then cook for a few more minutes. Then just add the remaining veg, so the Sugarsnap peas and the sweet peppers. And then continue to cook for another few minutes. We're also going to add here 1/2 to 3/4 cup of water. And just keep cooking until the sauce thickens up and becomes nice and creamy. Then we're going to add the tempeh back into the pan. And once the sauce is thickened up, it's totally cooked, we're going to add a couple of optional chilies here and then we'll be ready to serve. So you can serve this dish with rice or noodles. Today we're using rice cooked with butterfly pea flowers. We'll do a whole video on rice at some point. You can make some really interesting colours and presentation with your rice. So once you've served up everything, we're going to decorate again with a couple more optional chilies and a splash of coconut milk. And that's it. One peanut satay tempeh ready to eat. Super simple, incredibly tasty. You can use a variety of vegetables in the dish, whichever is your favourite. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again on Love Vegan.